Gamitan mo ng jab. Huwag mo sundan ng sundan. Jab lang, man. Bang! Jab man. Huwag mo balik yung tundan. Very good. Mati mo bitawan. Bitawan mo na. Pag naghihintay. Bang! Bigla. Sento lang. Forward man, yung kaliwang paa mo man. Sige man. Oh! Sige. Yung ulo. Kalmado. Bang! Bigla sa baba.
Up. Dun. Eman! Dun.
Focus ka man. Focus ka, man. Focus.
Ready! Back!
Unahan mo.
Bawal sa likod ha, bawal sa watok.
Harap. Huwag mo sundan man. Padi, bigla mo. Sa order yan. Very good.
Step back. Hold your punch.
Tama na siya naman.
Back.
Kabilaan. Patuloy ka lima mo. Man, huwag ganyan man. Bang. Padi, bigla.
No holding. Break it up. No holding. No holding, Eman. No holding. No, yes, okay lang. No holding, Eman. Ay, Eman, no. Neko. Okay. Last 10. Charge! Break, stop. Bring it up. Stop. Hey, harap. Back. The one is coming from the headbutt.
Man, huwag mong papiluin, man. Huwag mong papiluin.
Mas pinasarap na chicken. Stop. No punch. Okay, no punch.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Paa mo man, set mo. Set mo.
Headbutt yan, low punch.
Easy. Sakong lang. Sakong sa taas. Sakong sa taas.
Stop! Stop, stop, stop!
Man.
Ready.
Man, sa ilalim man.
Box.
Man. Bang. Pababa. Yan. Pababa. Pababa.
Stop! Stop! Ready, yan. Iman, doon ka lang, Iman. Ingat sa ulo, ha? Bawal yun, ha? Bawal sa ulo. Okay. First. Okay, ready. Box. Hey. No, 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 no. Ready. Box. That's it. Stop, 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 stop.
Jump mo.
Time! Tuma lang.
You need to put some gloves on.
Masyadong maraming Vaseline.
Here we go. I think there's maybe
A bit of swelling there on the top of Salado's left eye, developing because of all of those right connections.
here's Salado once more.
So 3 jabs in succession, all making contact from Bacosa.
Series of jabs here from Bacosa, but he needs to follow up with that right hand. That's going to be his money hand. The right, which is also the money hand of Salado. Both fighters just eyeing each other here. Someone's got to initiate the attack.
Stop, stop, stop. No punch, no
Bacosa
punch,
might
no
be
punch. Break,
looking
break.
to
Good,
counter
good.
here. He's not initiating, he's waiting for Salado to come in. Let's see what he does here as he makes his adjustment. Salado once more,
That's
coming
solo.
forward.
Stop, stop. Three, box.
Minute gone here. Boy, he's really been able to reach advantage of this.
Break.
For Salado, then to come forward. Advantage of Bacosa. He's got to be able to follow Bacosa, move inside, get inside, punch and finish.
But he keeps getting time as he tries to come in, Kenito.
Ulo, ha? Ulo.
That's exactly what
Ingat sa
Bacosa
ulo.
has in mind.
Bring it up,
He's
bring it up.
anticipating the
Bring it up.
moves of Salado coming forward, and then he throws his punches before Salado is able to connect.
Stop, stop, stop.
The right thing to do because of Bacosa's reach advantage. And he knows that Salado has to take a few more steps forward before he can throw his punches. And as he prepares to launch, Bacosa's already hitting him.
Once again, using that reach advantage is Bacosa. Under a minute now in round number 3. We're scheduled for 6.
I remember when Bacosa turned pro back in 2023 in his first professional fight, he was held to a split draw by Janelle Kutyamat. But since then, he has rattled off 6 straight wins. 4 by knockout. Wild swing by Salado again because of that reach disadvantage. He's not able to reach his target.
Box.
Looks like Salado's just trying to get lucky here, but he connects with the left.
That's a good adjustment on the part of Salado.
Stand, break.
More anticipated by Bacosa. So he caught Bacosa by surprise, throwing that left.
Time.
3 rounds done here so far.
Bacosa,
Box.
swing away.
Here we go, round number 4. Again, the aggressor is Salado.
Right by Salado. It looks like Bacosa is now expecting it over here. Right. He's got his left hand up high now to protect himself.
Ingat sa ulo. Pangalawa na.
Salado's really doing the right thing.
Ready.
Oh yeah.
It's got to be this infighting where he can take advantage.
But he's looking more and more desperate here. Trying to find his way inside. Look at Bacosa, a series of left jabs with no answer from Salado and more left jabs coming through.
All of them connected, all of them scored.
And then that wild swing once more by Salado and missing everything. At the same time, Bacosa's got to be careful. With all those wild swings of Salado, if one of those swings manages to connect, could be very damaging.
Again, successive lefts. Connecting here for Bacosa.
Bacosa's got to throw that right. It's got to be in succession. Throwing the left jab, he's got to throw that right straight. Right after.
Looks like he's saving it for one big punch, Quinito.
We go once more with Salado crowding Bacosa. And once Salado does that, then Bacosa is not able to throw that left jab.
First warning.
And the left jab of Bacosa, that sets up the right. Here's
Ready.
referee Duga giving
Eman, Eman,
Salado
Eman. Box.
a warning for holding. And here he comes once more.
He's got to attack. That's what he's doing. But again, he's going to get a warning there for leading with his head.
Absolutely no respect by Salado for Bacosa, which is the way it should be. I don't think that's a knockdown.
That's a
But
slip.
They call, and do they call a knockdown?
Oh yes, he's
They
going to
call a
get.
knockdown.
He's going to get a count.
So another knockdown scored here by Bacosa.
Okay ka lang?
I thought that might have been a slip. I also thought that Bacosa threw a punch while Salado was down.
Correct.
Here we
You
go
are
once
very
more.
right. And Salado doing the right thing.
break,
He needs to be able to just get as close as he possibly can. But he's getting tagged on the way in.
He's boring in. He's just looking for that one lucky punch that could end this fight and swing it to his favor. Because Bacosa is just dominant
Break, break.
at this point.
Final seconds here of round number 4. 2 more coming up after this one.
Stop,
Again, a wild swing by Salado. And
Time.
good defensive posture here by Bacosa, ducking under that right swing. We've got 2 more rounds to go. A lightweight encounter, a 6-rounder. Both fighters weighing a little over the lightweight limit of 135. Both fighters also very young. Bacosa is 21 years old. Salado is 20 years old.
Well, definitely still a lot of fights ahead for these 2 gentlemen.
And Bacosa is measuring his opponent now.
That time he connects with the left.
Come
So
on.
again, you see Salado just trying to come in as quickly as he possibly can.
Bacosa might have caught him with an elbow as Salado was coming through. Here's more jabs. And that's exactly what Bacosa needs to do to stave off the charging Salado. Doing a good job with his boxing technique here. Bacosa.
Looks like Salado's willing to take those jabs as long as he can throw that haymaker that he hopes to connect. Couple of lefts once again.
And he keeps poking Salado with that left jab. And it stymies the momentum of Salado, not able to get his rhythm because that left jab keeps on keeping him away from Bacosa. Oh, wild right hand coming from Salado. Now, take note that out of his 2 victories in his record, Salado has scored one knockout. It's a 50% rate of scoring a knockout in his record.
And there he's once again leading with his head as he comes in. Talking about Salado. He's got numerous warnings already.
Salado looks like a toy bulldog.
Stop. Break, break.
And he goes down.
He just gets pushed down there
Taking
by
a breather.
Eman.
He's taking a breather. That's not right. He should get a warning. You can't stay too long kneeling down and taking a breather. That's to your advantage. That's not right. Bacosa again. Throw that left jab. The dangerous thing about the posture of Bacosa is that as he throws his left jab, his middle is wide open.
But it doesn't seem that Salado can try to take advantage. Succession of blows once again.
Well, that's a rabbit punch thrown there by Salado. And that's not a legal punch. You should be warned.
Seems like that escaped the eye here of coach of referee Haduka. Final 10 seconds.
Another left jab connected there by Bacosa.
Pwede does have power in that right hand. The big question is, can he land it?
Good head movement there by Bacosa. That's what you need. Part of the defensive makeup is head movement. Bacosa seems to be doing a good job.
And again, just plowing in is Salado.
And you've got Bacosa throwing that right hand. Salado trying his in. Salado finding himself almost outside of the ring. Again, because of his lunges, he's not able to control his momentum. And he was thrown off balance. Good job there by Bacosa because he moved away from harm's way. And as a result, Salado found himself almost outside of the ring, in between the ropes.
Break it up.
Approaching the 1 minute mark here of our
Break.
sixth and final round.
Box.
Crouching a little bit too low here is Bacosa.
Box.
And he ducked underneath that blow. But you can't duck below the waistline.
Now he gets tagged.
Salado once more charging in. Oh, really connected with right hand.
Break.
That's what I was saying. This guy's dangerous. Throwing that right hand, if he connects, he's got some power.
Well, Salado's going for broke here. Looking for that one lucky punch to turn the tide.
Box.
Half a minute to go before the end of this fight.
Bacosa there. Once again wants to end this early.
Might have hurt Salado. Salado's holding on. Salado got hurt with the left hand. He's a little dazed. He's moving away from Bacosa. He's just looking to survive. Still throws that right hand. And missing
Still
once
trying
more.
to get lucky here. But he's going to run out of time.
That's the end of the fight. And it's going to be a lopsided victory for sure here for Eman Bacosa on points.
60-53, winner by unanimous decision, Eman Bacosa.